I am Hiro Hosonouma, CEO of NSG Group. I'm honored to introduce NSG Group's Sustainable Supply Chain Charter to all our supply chain partners around the world. We and our stakeholders are very concerned about supply chain risks and impacts, including the sustainability of raw material extraction and supplier performance on environmental and human rights issues. We want to work with our diverse global suppliers to make a positive impact on the environment and society for the benefit of everyone involved. This charter is fundamental to that ambition. It expresses our vision for working together to combat climate change, striving for social equality, and protecting the environment and worker rights, all for the benefit of present and future generations. We expect you to work with a procurement team and strategic business units to create clear action plans for continuous improvement in relevant priority areas, so please read the Charter carefully. This Charter supports the NSG's mission of changing our surroundings, improving our world.
I'm John Wilgar, Chief Procurement Officer for NSG Group. I'm delighted and proud to introduce NSG's new Sustainable Supply Chain Charter to our supply partners all around the world. This charter can be seen as a North Star to help you navigate your way towards meaningful actions and achievements on sustainability. The charter will guide you in focusing on 8 key areas which we believe are important for you to address in your business strategies: reducing greenhouse gases, protecting the environment, reducing waste, protecting labour and human rights, conserving water, supporting diversity, equity and inclusion, improving transparency in your own supply chains, and supporting communities. To become or continue to be a preferred or strategic supplier to NSG, we expect you to embrace the principles outlined in this charter and meet its requirements. Many of you will be advanced on the journey towards a more sustainable future, and many of you might just be starting on this path. We aim to help you as much as we can to be successful, working together with you in partnership. We have established some resources to help you on the journey. You can find more information and access these resources from our website, www.nsg.com. We will also set up regular meetings and webinars to share information and best practices with you. Where appropriate, we will arrange one-to-one meetings with you to progress our plans together. I look forward to working with you all closely on our journey towards changing our surroundings, improving our world.
I'm Shiro Kobayashi, Head of Group Sustainability with NSG Group. NSG Group is committed to taking strong action to address climate change and to make a positive contribution to society. We have been a member of the Carbon Disclosure Project since it started in 2010, underlining our commitment to reduce carbon emissions. In 2019, NSG first committed to science-based targets for CO2 reduction. The target was increased in May 2022 with a goal to decrease absolute emissions by 30% by 2030 versus our 2018 baseline. At the same time as the increased target ambition, we included the Scope 3 emission to this target. That means the carbon emissions in our upstream and downstream supply chain. To achieve this goal, we need our suppliers all over the world to embrace this challenge with us in the spirit of partnership. We can only achieve this goal with your help. Our supply chain charter is a guide for your actions on sustainability not only on climate change and carbon reduction, but also on the other important areas such as human rights. I strongly encourage you to sign up to the principles set out in the Charter to help us create a better world for future generations.